Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. How are you doing? And today's video, guys, it's one of the videos. I haven't done this for so long, and yeah, I just wanna clean my kitchen appliances, and not deeply though, but I just want to clean them. And yeah, that's about the whole video today. And so thank you so very much for those who have joined in, for subscribing, liking and commenting my videos. I do appreciate. And if you're here, you haven't subscribed, please, we are on the road to 700. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell. In case new video arrives, you'll be the first person to be alarmed. So make sure to click that subscribe button, please make sure you subscribe. So without further ado, let's go and clean our kitchen. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna use this basin here, and I'm using this Pride multi-purpose washing soap, and then of course I'll be using this vinegar. It's almost even done, so I'll be using this. Wow. So let's start by cleaning this, and then the microwave, and this is the sandwich maker, and then the fridge, and then we come to the cooker, and then we wash utensils, and then that will be it. All right. So actually for the microwave, sandwich and fridge, I am not going to use soap. Let me just use vinegar. All right. Yeah, and this is it. I just mixed with a little bit of water. So let's start cleaning.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Alright guys, thank you so very much. We've come to the end of the video, and thank you so very much for clicking in and doing this with me, cleaning with me. So guys, as you can see, I showed you what I've used. I used the vinegar for the fridge and microwave and sandwich maker, but for the cooker I've used the vinegar and these multi-purpose. Let me show you. These multi-purpose, the Pride multi-purpose dish. So, and that's my way of cleaning. Maybe you can comment down below, let me know what you use in cleaning your kitchen appliances, especially the fridge, microwave and cooker. But for me, it has done a very good job. I hope you liked it, and let me know down below, how do you usually clean your kitchen? And also utensils, I've done it so well, so perfectly. So thank you so very much once again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please make sure before you finish watching this video, click that subscription button and turn on the post notification bell so that we can be able to reach 700 subscribers. I do appreciate. So guys, without further ado, let me see you on my next one. Ciao ciao, au revoir.